accident and emergency, 9-year-old Courtney has come in with her mum, her dad, and something else.
I got a bit of a pencil stuck in my ear.
You what? Did I hear that right?
I was messing around with it and I put it in my ear.
OK, I did. So what colour is it?
It's a yellow pencil.
Never mind the colours, Xand.
Well, how did it get there?
Courtney was in her bedroom with her colouring pens and pencils. One in particular caught her eye. It was the yellow one.
Ooh, is that her favourite colour, Chris? The green one looks nice. Or the blue one?
No, Xand, something about the yellow one appealed to her. Anyway, she stared at it, it stared back, wondering if it would be chosen. Colour in with me, it thought. I'll be your sun, I'll be your sand, I'll be your rubber ducky.
Why would she want to draw a rubber ducky?
I couldn't think of anything else yellow. Just go with it.
OK.
That might fit in my ear, Courtney thought.
Oh dear. I see where this is going.
So did she.
Ouch! That crayon must be hiding. Can you see it, Dad?
Here's Dr. Julian Warren to investigate.
What colour's the crayon?
Not you as well, Doc.
Yellow.
Was that your favourite colour?
No.
No. OK.
Tell us, what is your favourite colour, Courtney?
Red.
Red, right. Glad we got that sorted.
Should we have a little look and see if we can get it out?
First, Dr. Warren needs to check exactly where the missing crayon's hiding.
Yeah, we can see that quite clearly.
Thank goodness he's found it. So where exactly is it?
Your ears are divided into 3 parts: the inner, middle and outer ear, connected by the ear canal.
The ear canal is roughly 2.5 centimetres long, and that's where Courtney's yellow crayon is stuck.
If it's left in there, it can cause damage or infection.
Let's see if we can get that out, shall we?
What's the plan then, Doc?
We'll take her through to the procedure room. We'll try and see if we can get a little metal probe behind it and hook it out, but hopefully we'll get it out today.
In the treatment room, Dr. Warren goes crayon fishing with his special hook.
But will he catch anything?
It's just a case of trying to see if we can get past it.
The crayon just won't budge, so Dr. Warren has to go to plan B. Find out later what on earth he's going to do with all that liquid.